to the channel. I'm Landon, not your average Joe's garage. Basically today what we're going to be doing is, as you can see, painting the engine block. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to scrub it all down, get it clean, and put some coats of paint on it. I'm going to throw some clear on it as well. As you can see, I already did, but I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's go. Okay, so here I am using Dupli-Color high gloss engine enamel. After letting the paint dry for about 30 to 40 minutes, it was dry to the touch, I switched over to the Dupli-Color high gloss clear. I applied 3 or 4 coats of the clear coat to give it extra shine. Now switching gears onto the accessories, we use Super Clean as our degreaser. We let it soak for quite a while and then respray it again, and then move on to the pressure washer. I really took my time pressure washing, making sure that I got every nook and cranny, all the old grease that has been sitting on the motor for 80 to 100,000 miles. Got it all cleaned up, spick and span, where I would think I could eat off it. Next, I moved on to blowing everything off with air, making sure that I got everything, any kind of moisture, off of the parts. And now I switch over to Dupli-Color's semi-gloss black to add some contrast. To see the finished product, click the next video to see it being assembled. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along as we build this LS motor.